Well, the calendar might say October for tomorrow, but taking a look at our temperature trend into the next few days, you might think it says the first day of August because we are going to be trending well above average. Average for this time of year now keeps us in the low to mid 60s. So you compare that to upper 70s and even including probably our fair share of some 80s as we are approaching the upcoming weekend, plus minimal to pretty much non-existent rain chances. That's all the way out throughout your weekend. There's a small one as we go throughout the day on Saturday. That's about it. I'm anticipating a lot of dry time over the next few days. You couple that with a lot of sunshine and low humidity values, and even though we're getting into October, we still technically do have to talk about fire danger as we're going throughout the next few days. So things are going to be incredibly dry out there. Keep that in mind as we are approaching this upcoming weekend. Otherwise, generally quiet, not a lot to show you, but we'll run you through it. Future view going into the overnight period. And then again throughout your early Wednesday morning. Thinking we're going to be too dry to really get any fog development going. There could be a few patchy areas at best, but I think we're going to avoid any widespread chances for some fog. It's been a little bit more of a northeast breeze coming off of the Lake Huron shoreline. That's why the temperatures were a little bit cooler there from this afternoon. Off to the west, a few more high clouds starting to move in. That's your time frame at about 6 o'clock Wednesday morning. Getting into the afternoon hours of your Wednesday, probably at least our fair share of some high clouds in the mix. So we'll go a good mix of sun and clouds as we go throughout the day on Wednesday, but still keeping your skies and your forecast on a dry note as we go right there into the daytime hours for tomorrow, and even still doing more of the same as we're going later into the week by the time we're even reaching your Thursday. Again, the main chance for any rainfall really comes as we go into the weekend, and even then, that's really not looking too impressive. So we're going to have a lot of dry time as we are going throughout the rest of this upcoming week. Live weather stations out there right now. Everett holding on to some upper 70s. Current temperature right now at 77. Light breeze out of the east-southeast at about 3 miles per hour. Pickford to the north. Areas there into the upper 60s at this hour. Current temperature sitting at 68. Still could be a little bit chilly as we go past midnight tonight. There's a look at overnight lows, especially as you're getting farther inland away from the lake shore. Could include some 40s, so you might need an extra layer at least starting off the day as we are going throughout the overnight period into your early Wednesday morning. Temperatures getting into the day tomorrow. There's a look at your numbers a little closer to average, at least for tomorrow. 60s as we take you towards the tip of the Mets, and even a few 70s right there a little bit farther south of the Mackinac Bridge getting into the day tomorrow. Probably at least our fair share of some mid to upper level clouds getting into the afternoon hours of your Wednesday. It's an east wind, western lower, your numbers right there. A few more low 70s on the map getting into your Wednesday afternoon. As we take you towards the sunrise side with that easterly component, still the temperatures near the immediate lake shore, at least near Lake Huron, will still be a touch cooler. Still some mid to upper 60s, a few spots up M33, probably getting closer to 70 degrees. A little bit farther south into some of our central zones. Still does feature a few more low to even a few mid 70s out there as we take you into your Wednesday afternoon. And the temperatures, well, those continue to stay at least above average as we are going throughout the rest of the week. And there it is getting even towards the upcoming weekend, Adam. It's a small chance we'll watch it Saturday. Still anticipating a lot of dry time and temperatures 70s, if not even including some 80s.